Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Breezy movie app on your iPhone. So make sure to follow this step-by-step process, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. So the first thing is just go to the app store of your mobile phone, and from here just search Breezy movie app. You can just write down the complete name and click on search, and once you search you will be able to see the application. And let's say that you're not able to see the application, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and once you scroll down you will be able to find the application called Breezy movie app. And let's say that you're not able to see, so what you can do is just cancel, and from here just click on your profile icon and just go to the Apple ID or your profile, just click on it, and from here they will ask you to enter your password. So make sure to enter your password, and from here you can just change your region. As you can see, like my country region is United States, so what you can do is just change your country to another country, let's say Canada or Australia or Germany. Just search the country from where you want to change and just change the country, and once you just change the country, click on save and restart the like this app store, and after that you will be able to install the Breezy movie app on your iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.